In this video from our Questions and Myths series, we answer a question from our visitors. When will the Camellia House reopen to the public?
If you've been watching our channel regularly or visited the award-winning gardens at Wentworth Woodhouse, you'll know that we have a beautiful Camellia House which is home to a collection of some of the rarest and oldest camellias in the Western world. After sitting derelict for decades, this regeneration of the Camellia House has brought life back to the abandoned building by sensitively restoring and converting it into a contemporary tea room and events venue, whilst providing an internal environment that is sensitive to the rare camellias. In the summer of 2023, construction work was completed, and we're currently finalising the details to get the Camellia House ready to reopen to the public. Last year, we also won a Green Apple Award for the regeneration programme, which acknowledges how we've successfully balanced the conservation requirements of the historic building with a sustainable energy strategy suitable for the 21st century. The strategy includes ground source heat pumps, rainwater recycling, natural ventilation, and much improved breathable thermal insulation throughout, to significantly reduce the environmental impact of the building in use. Our aim is to have everything ready to reopen the Camellia House to the public very soon, and we have an exciting programme of events lined up that will feature in future videos on this channel.
The spring can't come quickly enough for us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and leave us a comment below. We love to hear from you.